But are you ready? Get set, go. It is finally, I know a lot of you have been waiting. You all see my pink fabric box that is going to come back in stock to Stamps of Life. This is only available on hsn.com. Only available on hsn.com. It's the exact same box, but in beautiful, beautiful purple. So it fits, it's equivalent to the size Kirsten Buddy bag back in the day, or the Kirsten Zip and Go from Organized Option. It comes with the bag, has a little spot right here, so you could put your little index card in there if you want to. Of course, it comes with the lid, right? Comes with the lid. I always like to get into my stuff all the time, so I always put the lid on the bottom just to have it. Then I have an extra little seam here to put extra stuff. But I'm really excited about this. Now, you're also getting 3 dividers in purple, not pink, purple. 3 of those, and you are getting, I don't even remember how many. Oh gosh, I don't remember how many it is. Do you remember? Do you know, Ken?
How many what?
Kangaroo pockets. Remember I told you, and I was like laughing because it was like, no, it's okay. But you get a lot of kangaroo pockets, a lot of kangaroo pockets, a lot. And boom. Now, if you go to hsn.com, search, sure, go ahead and search Stamps of Life. Or do you have the link? Ken, can you put the link in the, Ken dropped the link already into the comments, into the chat. I want you to go look at that link, and it shows you all of the products. We are selling kangaroo pockets on their own. But for seriously, just a couple dollars more, it's kind of like confusing. You also get the, is it not showing up? Why? Let me see.
What's the number?
The number is, I thought I just saw it. 920942.
It's like a hidden.
I saw it earlier. Did they pull it? Really? Are you guys seeing it? 920942. Yeah. Can you search Stamps of Life and see what happens? But you guys don't search Stamps of Life. You use the link that can. Oh, they said they didn't get a link. Let's see. He's going to try again. Okay, scroll slow so I can see. Do a newest. Do newest. We should have probably had this up beforehand. Oh, I thought there. No, wait. Oh, wow. Oh, it was there earlier. They pulled it. Some of you got it. Did they pull everything?
No, there's some new stuff.
Okay, there's some new stuff on there. Interesting. Interesting. I never know. I never know. Well, eventually this will be available on the website. They probably started selling too fast. They probably yanked them. You're getting lots of storage envelopes, kangaroo pockets, of course, because like, why would we do anything besides kangaroo pockets, right? And you're also getting the 3 dividers in the gorgeous purple. Now, those of you that like teal, rest assured, yes, there is a teal box also. So same everything, but in teal. So now your options are teal and purple on the HSN website, and eventually pink again. Just holding my breath, waiting for him to get here on the Stamps of Life website. So there you go, teal and purple. Now, of course, the teal comes with the same amount of kangaroo pockets and 3 teal dividers. Okay, now that is item number, and I'll give you the item number, but it doesn't look like, it looks like they might have pulled it. Oh, you do? Oh, okay. Tell me what's your number. 198. Try that. Did you search that? Okay, we're gonna try 198. Honey bear, don't eat that. No. Nope. Oh, she's eating a card. Nope. Okay. Interesting. Okay, but hopefully over the weekend they will come in stock. Let me just tell you though, the price was pretty insane. Oh, Susan says she can see it. That's weird. So yeah, everybody else is saying, some people can say they see it, some people can't. Spooky.